Hey guys, in today's video I'm teach you how to make your apps go into dark mode. So right now it is in dark mode, you guys might notice that. And that's different than your actual dark mode that you have set up already. So if you just hold your finger on an empty space on your screen, so let's say down here below where it says search, just hold beside that. Don't touch that. Don't touch any app. Just hold it beside that in any empty space. Everything's gonna start wiggling around. Then on the top left hand side, you guys are gonna see edit. From edit, customize. From customize, I have it set up in dark. So you guys most likely have it already in default. Once it goes into dark, everything turns like so. There's also clear. There's tinted as well. That might be a thing that you may want because you guys can mess around with the tint as much as you like. There's light and dark for that, by the way. But anyways, we're looking at dark. So here's dark. You guys can put it automatic as well. Now again, this is different than when we're looking at, for example, if I have it on clear and I go into settings. My iPhone already is on dark mode, so that's why everything's dark. So just wanted to show you that's different than what we're doing right now. We're just turning the apps dark. And that's why I turned them transparent so you guys can see that this does not affect it. So I'm just gonna go back to it. I'm gonna put it on dark mode. And if I go into settings, it's gonna be the exact same thing except for the apps. You guys can see that there's that difference. So it does look a little bit more sleek when we do that. Depends on your background. Now, if you're watching this and you're looking for the actual dark mode for your phone, well, that's also here. That's in your settings. And then go into display and brightness. Here's dark mode. So this is light and this is dark. So I usually have it in dark. For other type of videos, I make it light mode, but for my own personal use, it's always dark. I find that better on my eyes. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.